Reality is an illusion, as space and time are illusions too. The reverse-moving space-time theory. According to the universe mind theory by a group of Holly scientists, time is an illusion in our brain, and time actually goes back for the population and written history backwards. The laws of physics are true both for scenarios where time goes backwards and when it goes forward. It works in both directions, and there is no physical rule that says time does not go backwards. Actually, in my opinion, the concepts of numbers and back and forth are completely illusions anyway, but whatever. Our mind creates reality in our brain computers. Many directions for time are possible as opposite what are common sense. A one-way assigned road can go both ways in someone's creative mind. Time travel is possible and we are moving already. Life is a movie. You are an actor and your role is between death and birth. Which one is the start and end of your role? To live, you have to grow old. The person who does not age even for a second has not lived. Future creates past. It's like a movie we watch in reverse. Death is actually our birth as actor for this life. The bacteria and deterioration that occurs when a person dies is what we see how an experienced actor is being created. All of what we experience is actually a scenario created by our future self. We are actually playing out the dream of our future self in a movie played in his mind. When the day ends and we go to sleep, we are told a new script scene, and we will play it the next day. The things we know as the days we live in are actually the order of the scenes of the roles played by this actor. Some examples. Many prophets are in religions, but we don't know exact orders. It is past for us or future doesn't matter, because time has no plus/. Direction, these are just our labeling. We create or watched our past movie in real body experience. Reality is a blockchain protocol movie on the human brain web. Your psychological problematic experiences are actually affected by your future experiences interfering your past acts. As the actor, you have mistaken the wrong acts on a similar but a wrong scene in the past. During your student years, you may have had a strange, unreasonable love for a girl. Maybe the girl's name is Melissa. In fact, that love may be the wrong connotation in your mind of the sexuality you had today with a girl named Melissa as love or love at that time. As an actor, you just mixed up the roles of today with the role of that day. You are just a robot, AI using provided information of your script written in the future, loaded into your past, and you were a robot AI to find the best action for that situation. Like in Arnold's movie Terminator, what you experienced in your childhood can be thought of in reverse. As a child, you actually create the past of your father and mother, so that they can have enough time to create a scenario for you in this movie. The simplest of these is that when you spend time with your grandparents, you actually affect your parents' lives, and they indirectly impose your scenario on you, little by little, every day. All of this coincides with quantum physics and Jung's concepts of synchronistic archetypes. Freud was a materialist and hid this information your future created or affected your past, not vice versa. Politics are also projected from the future into magazine covers and politicians act accordingly. Another example is the covers of The Economist magazine. Another is the Tesla legend, electromagnetic waves, Elon Musk, NASA space mission to Mars, SpaceX private company satellites, Tesla electric cars, human brain implants, Total Recall movie, space travel. In fact, Nikola Tesla is the person who connects the actions of the Tesla company, which was established in the future, to the past scenario. In other words, like all people, he attributed all the ideas he came up with as Tesla to his ability to read information coming to him from the future. He has expressed this a lot. Everything that the Tesla company will do is engraved in Nikola Tesla's life. His name Nikola may be related to Nikola, an electronic vehicle company, and his surname may be related to today's Tesla company. The most important reason for Tesla to reach this superpower is that today's Tesla company owner Elon Musk actually has brain chip implantation called neurotech and space technologies, such as SpaceX and Starlink. In fact, he was conveying very good information to the actor who played Tesla in the past. In fact, when you look at it backward, when Nikola Tesla died in old age, all the skates in his room were collected. Or if we rewind the time, all the ideas and patents were given to him, and he played the role of the person in history who came up with these ideas by getting younger day by day. So history is a part of the illusion, as always. The same goes for other scientists or other important figures. Newton and Apple's story too can be the backward fabrication of two companies called Newton and Apple. Now let's look at who is Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a prominent entrepreneur, business magnate, and engineer. Musk is best known as the CEO and lead designer of SpaceX, the CEO and product architect of Tesla Inc., and the CEO of Neuralink and the Boring Company. SpaceX, founded in 2002, aims to revolutionize space technology and enable the colonization of Mars. Tesla Inc., founded in 2003, focuses on electric vehicles and sustainable energy solutions. Musk's vision for Tesla has played a significant role in popularizing electric cars and driving advancements in autonomous driving technology. In addition to his work with SpaceX and Tesla, Musk has also been involved in ventures related to renewable energy, such as Solar City, now part of Tesla, and the development of the Hyperloop transportation concept through the Boring Company. Werner Magnus Maximilian Freiherr von Braun was a German and American aerospace engineer and space architect, pioneer in the works of NASA. Did you know that von Braun's 1953 book Mars Project referenced a person named Elon that would bring humans to Mars? Space can be just a hologram or electromagnetic image on the sky, or let me say the most related thing to you is around you in your reality, and the most unrelated thing to you is put farthest in your space. So space is like the unrelated parts of screen that you are not looking at now. The sun can be also light project from the lands and optic lens effects of the atmosphere causing that light there. Your body only sense your close points, stimulating your body, and the rest of the world you see here are created in your brain as a simulation. Why Elon works on different topics like space and neurons' brains. Because universe is just a big giant neuron human brain computer internet working on human brain blockchain. This is why White House invested in Project Connectomy to study human brain connections or study universe. They are same thing at the end. So everything is created in human brain Bitcoin blockchain network as reality. And when majority accepts validates the transaction, it is written to the universal history or Akashic records. In order to go to space, then you need to create space in the minds, and you need to convince the human computers to this reality as NASA Apollo moon landing videos. Reality does not exist, we are all dreaming. Elon is a project which has been already written and displayed in the theaters with different chapters. One of them was the movie Total Recall, where Arnold Schwarzenegger played an agent or a person want to load a VR experience to his brain, a trip to Mars. Elon is trying to go to Mars and he is working on putting brain implants. Arnold in the movie found that he was actually an agent on Earth, and he found himself in an alternative reality. Which reality was true, Mars or Earth? It all depends on his acceptance. Maybe Mars is another continent on the Earth simulation. All you need to do is to grant access to that chapter. Why do NASA need Elon? Because it is a project. Countries need non-national institutions to bypass politics and get human data from all geographic locations to create and control mass human hallucination or human reality. That is why USA CIA using companies instead of government agencies in these operations. Nobody would let his data to another country institution. To go to space or narrate a space movie, you need to control the quantum entanglement events in the world. My one action affects all the other parts of the world because we are quantum computers and human brain internet. So they need to control every computer's timing of actions so that they can create the reality they want, which is a fake space, moon, stars, galaxies. They are just images for us now. But when we let our position information, our car navigation, they can know how to create a fake moon, fake Hollywood Mars on the Earth as islands and project from these movies to the sky. And when you look with telescopes, you can in fact see that island in the world, not the space. Astrological things were in fact true and everything was connected, and that is why they created science to hide this connection between human actions. That's why they moved the reference frames for location or time from Earth to Sun, and from Sun to Big Bang. How can you measure time of a universe with respect to what? Which clock before universe existed? Let's not put too much info now. Please follow me and let me awaken your mind. Someone are now creating the scene for your future role, and your future is someone's past and vice versa. All the future roles are created already, and you need to find out who you are in your next movie of tomorrow. You can do very well the task given to you of creating this movie that was played in the past, by not believing everything I say, accepting what you know as past history as a mere fact. You can accept that what you see and hear is real, but I wish you to be able to write your own scenarios and your own realities, because only then will I be able to play my own scenario.